Hey, welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Will. I wanted to talk to y'all about the quickest and easiest repair for a Honda Accord rear backup camera. If anybody out there is rolling with a rear backup camera that is not working, it's so easy to change it on these cars, and I just wanted to help y'all out with this and do a quick video. So hopefully y'all like it, and here we go. All right, so we're gonna show the problem that we're having right now with this car. He's about to put it in reverse. Go ahead. And it shows just the guidelines there, but nothing else. So we believe this is the camera, and we're just gonna go ahead and replace it. This is all you need. Basic hand tools. We have a 3/8 ratchet extension, a 3/8 extension, 10mm socket, some needle nose pliers, and a removing tool for little plastic retainers. If you don't have that, you can use a flathead screwdriver. It's a lot easier with that removing tool. You can get it anywhere, AutoZone. It's a good tool to add to your toolbox. If you want this to go faster, you can use your 3/8 impact if you have one, a battery one. It makes things a lot quicker. I use this thing all the time. Go ahead and remove all the plastic little retaining clips. You have to remove the little top tab and then pop it out. You can use a flathead with this. It's pretty easy once you get the first one out of the way. All right, so there's two nuts, one on each end here. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the first one. One. There's two. Here we go. All right, so there's these little white little tabs here. You can just squeeze them and push them out. So these two tabs I pushed out. These two at the end are hard to get to, so you just pull it out. And then you do the same on this side. It's just little plastic retainers that hold that trim on. And then there's the camera. It should be loose. All you do is you remove that, and then you push the camera out. That was what, 5 minutes? All right, so this one was Amazon, what, 30?
Yeah, like 30 bucks, yeah.
30-ish dollars.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna rip in here. All right, so now we're gonna put the camera back in. And there. All right, so that presses in. Just slip back in. All right, so everything we did earlier just in reverse. So we're gonna put everything back. Alright, so we're gonna test it out for the first time, see if it works. right, there you go. It's awesome. It's working. It hasn't been working for years, and a $30 repair fixed it.
Let's go. Now let me try the different views. Okay.
Alright, so it looks like, go ahead and press the other one. Press the other one. Press the other one. Okay, yeah, so it looks like it's giving the same angle for all of them. So just know this is an aftermarket camera. It is $30. It's not the Honda genuine one. So it's not, it seems like at least the one we purchased is not showing the different angles, which is okay. It's better than nothing, but you want to keep that in mind. Maybe there is another one that shows the different angles. You just got to pay attention to that when you're purchasing the camera on Amazon, because there are a lot of different options, but we're good with this. Like I said, this is a quick video. There's other videos that go into detail. I just wanted to show you how fast you can do this, and hopefully you took something out of it. I appreciate y'all watching. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe. There's going to be more repair videos coming forward, and hopefully y'all take some value from that. So I appreciate y'all, and God bless.